Morning. Today we're doing Skoda Kodiaq 4x4 and this is sports S line, and you can see here when we're going to diagnose this one, the problem of this one, same problem, clutch position sensor 2. You can see here, you can see this one is Kodiaq 2020, and we're going to diagnose it, and then you can see here what code is coming. Because we done that job, I don't think so any code is there, but we have to diagnose it and then we're going to show you. That's the common problem, P173500 and P173600. That's two code is coming, common problem, clutch position, what K1 sensors, position sensor 1 and position sensor 2. That's two common code of this one. This one is I wanted to show you, this is OGC gearbox. You can see here a DQ381, and you can see here trouble code is coming. At the moment is no, because we fixed that one, and at the moment this car is fine. But when the car came to us, sorry because I did not get the movie that time, but now the car is ready. So this is a very common problem. You can see my other video as well. So if you have the problem is like that, you can contact me. You can call me 07402536 My name is Terry. We are in Hounslow, and we can fix your car 3 to 4 hours. And my postcode is Hounslow Motors Ltd, Tango Whiskey 33 Tango Tango. You can call me anytime. We can fix your car 3 to 4 hours, and car will be ready with come with the warranty and service. If you like my video, you can subscribe me and you can leave a good review on there. When you come to us, we will give you the good service. Thanks for watching.